going to show you how to use the flashlight on any of the iPhone 13s, as well as how to increase and decrease the brightness. Okay, very simple. So first thing is, if you're on your lock screen, you have your camera or your flashlight down here. You don't want to just press it. It's like a hard press. Okay, press, you can feel it click. Okay, so you can turn it on, you can see over there, and you can turn it off. Okay, remember, you can't just click it like this. You have to press kind of hard. Okay, now the other way to do it is, if you're already logged in, and then the top right hand side, you swipe down to the control center, and then here's the flashlight. Okay, I already had it on. From here you can just tap it on and off. Okay, now if you want the increase or decrease the brightness, just press and hold, and then right here you can increase the brightness. You can see right there, decrease, increase, decrease, and go all the way off too. All right, pretty simple.